This is Meng Hui. Today I'm going to teach you what is Simpson's rule, how to apply the rule, and any constraints on using it. Okay, first let me show you an equation. Integral of 0 to pi 1 over 1 plus sine x dx. This equation cannot be integrated by the normal integrals. So therefore, we'll use Simpson's rule to find the approximation for the value of the area. So by using Simpson's rule uses the sum of the areas under parabolas as an approximation for the value of the area under the curve y equals to function x. To find the area under the curve y equals function x between x equals to a and x equal to b. So on the diagram, it should be like this. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So we are going to find the area under the curve y equals to function x, which should be like this, where this is the function of y equals to function x. Next, divide the area into an even number of strips of each width. Remember, it should be an even number of strips, where the strips of the width is given by the formula of h equals to b minus a over n, where n is the number of strips and b is the upper limit and a will be the lower limit. So therefore, this is the portion where we will have to find the area under the curve. Next, evaluate each coordinate y0, y1, y2, and until yn. So it will be like this, where this one will be y1, this one will be the y2, and this one will be the yn. Okay. Next, therefore, the area is then given by h over 3 yo plus yn plus 4 times y odd plus 2 times y even. Formula. If we divide the formula into even number of strips, then integral of a to b f function x dx will be approximate to the area of first pair of strips plus area of second pair of strips plus area of third pair of strips plus area of n over 2 pair of strips and so on. So the formula would be h over 3 bracket yo plus 4y1 plus y2, then plus h over 3 bracket y2 plus 4y3 plus y4 plus h over 3 y4 plus 4y5 plus y6 until h over 3 bracket y minus n minus 2 plus 4yn minus 1 plus yn. So from here we will take out the common factor, which will turn out to be h over 3 yo plus yn plus y4 times y odd plus 2 times y even. Then we'll take out the common factor, which will reduce to h over 3 yo plus yn plus 4 times y1 plus y3 plus yn minus 1 plus 2 times y2 plus y4 plus yn minus 2. This formula can be found on the formula book, page 21. See, this is a Simpson rule formula, where n is an even positive integer. Now, let's do the example 2. By using Simpson's rule with 6 straps, determine the approximate value of the definite integral of 0 to pi 1 over 1 plus sine x dx. So this is the equation. And what we have known, the number of stripes, which is n, is equal to 6 stripes. So first we find the width of the stripes, which is given by the equation h b minus a over n, which is pi minus 0 over 6, which is pi over 6. This is the width of the stripe. Okay, stop. Actually, what we are supposed to find is the area under the curve, where the diagram should be like this. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. And the function of the graph should be like this, where this is the y equals to 1 over 1 plus sine x, and it is from 0 to pi, where 0 is the lower limit and pi is the upper limit. Okay, since this example is dealing with trigo, x must be in radians. Remember, must be in radians. Okay, now let us fill in the table. So this will be x, and y will be equals to 1 over 1 plus sine x. Why? Because y values should come from what is the integral, which is 1 over 1 plus sine x. So let us fill in the first value of x. The first value of x should be from 0, which is the lower limit, and then slowly add up pi over 6, which will become pi over 6, and we gradually add up pi over 6, which becomes 2 over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, and until pi, which is where we have to stop because it's the upper limit. And why we keep on adding pi over 6? Because it is the width of the strip itself. So after we get the values of x, we will start the values of x into the 1 over 1 plus sine x. After we get the values, so let us calculate the values. This will be 1, and for this column will be 0.667. The next one will be 0.5359, followed by 0.5,